the picture quality of that was very nice.
Yeah, well, this is an adaptation by the same people that do the keychain cameras, especially for model aviators. Right to take off. Thank you, sir. Taking off. Not good. It gets you every time. This looks this looks like a clear bit of strip just here. Giving it another go.
You wanted that one too badly.
Well, I had it on absolutely max rates to get the elevator throw to get in the air. What have we got there? Yeah, it's happy in the air.
Is yet another record in the tragic.
That's why I had to get the camera. I had to get the camera out of the car to record the event. Otherwise, it never happened.
Ankle deep water and this is
Ankle deep water. Talk it up, Rene. The boys won't believe us.
the day before then. Perfect.
Made it. All right to take off? Yep. All right, taking off. You're right to go, Rene. Yeah. Oh, I was too busy watching my plane to watch yours. What are you up to?
This thing is just unbelievable when you pull the trigger.
Yes, I've heard that. Young Luke gets his...
You actually have to give it full down elevator almost to keep it going level.
Oh, when you pull the trigger?
When you pull the trigger.
Well, that's my timer telling me it's time to come into land.
Yep, and this is going to be my last flight too.
And then I'm going to have to go to work. I can co-process.
I actually processed mine yesterday evening, so it's finished.
Right.
And I was actually thinking I was going to put it on